Today we are going to discuss the syllabus of geography of class 10th ICSC. Now we start. From chapter 8, the mineral and energy resource. First, from this page, the iron ore, manganese and copper, their advantage, disadvantage and the distribution is there, but the bauxite is not there. Okay, then from this page on, from this page, full page is there. This page, full page is there. And from this page, also this page is also full, because see, only you have to learn the uses and their distribution. Means see, uses and distribution. This page is also full because manganese is also there in our syllabus. This page full. And from this page, this is reduced. Bauxite has been reduced. Till here it will come, but this is reduced. Okay, this is reduced, and here also this much is reduced. And then copper will come. This page full. Okay, this page full. Then come to next chapter, chapter 9, energy, mineral and energy resources. Second, from this page full. This page, types of coal, this and all thing is not there. Only in our syllabus, coal, petroleum and natural gas. Coal, petroleum and natural gas, their distribution, advantage and disadvantage is only there. These types of coal and all is not there. Means this page is from here it is fully reduced. If you want to study, then you can study this much. Otherwise, no need to study. This page fully reduced. Then come to the next page. This page is also till here it is reduced. Till here it is reduced. You have to learn only distribution of coal. This is there in syllabus. This is also there. And advantage of coal and disadvantage. This all topic is there. Okay, then come to here. This is also there because this is come under category of disadvantage. Then petroleum and mineral oil, this is reduced. Uses, this is reduced. This also reduced. Here distribution is there. And list of major oil fields is also there. This page full. This page full. This page only the red Reliance, Jamnagar oil from India, this is only reduced. Otherwise full is there. This full. Natural gas full. Okay, then hydropower, this is also full. This page full, but from here the hydroelectric power is reduced. This reduced. The advantage of hydropower is also reduced. Okay, this is reduced. This is also reduced. This is there. Okay, this is all topic is there here. This is reduced. Then this page, this is reduced till here. This Bhakra Nangal Dam is there in our topic, in our syllabus. Okay, then this it will come. This page full is there. From this hydel power, from this Bhakra Nangal and hydel power, you have to study location and the state benefited. Means see, the location is there and the state benefited. Means you have to study full. This page also full. And the nuclear power is also there in our syllabus. Okay, full. This page full. This page is also full. This page full. This page is also full. Till here it will come. Disadvantage of this biogas is location advantage. This is there, but disadvantage of biogas and all is not there. Okay, disadvantage of biogas is not there. Tidal energy also not there. Here also it is there. This disadvantage of wind power is also not there. Means disadvantage of solar energy is also not there. Disadvantage, only you have to study advantage. Okay, see here it is given disadvantage. This advantage is not there. Only you have to study location and advantage. Okay, then you have to cut the disadvantage of solar energy also. This is reduced, but this page full is there. This page all full. This page also full, leaving this. Well, this much topic is only removed because you have to study only location and advantage. And biogas, you have to study advantage, location. This is reduced. And tidal energy is fully reduced. This is reduced. This page is fully reduced. Then come to next chapter. which is agriculture in India. This page full, this page also full, this page also full, but this page till here it will come. But types of farming in India is reduced. Types of farming in India reduced. Okay, this full reduced. This also full page reduced. Fully reduced. Okay, this is also fully reduced. Okay, this topic full. Only you have to study problems and reforms. Okay, then agriculture in India, chapter 11. Rice is there, full there. This page full. This page full. Okay, this page full, and this page also full because wheat also there. Wheat full. This page also full. Till here it is there, but from gram and rabi crop is not there in our syllabus. Reduced. This full page is reduced. This also full page is reduced, and this also full page reduced. Then come to chapter 12, that is agriculture in India. Third, cash crops. This page full. This page full. This page full, but till here only it is reduced. Jute has been reduced. Okay, reduced, and this also reduced. You have to study oil seeds, groundnuts. This all from here it is there. This all these there. Then this page full. This page till here it will come. This page till here it will come, but from here it is reduced. This also reduced. And sugarcane is there in our syllabus. So this side full. Right side full. Left side is reduced, but right side is there in our syllabus. This page full. This page also full. Tea is also there in our syllabus. Okay. Then this page full. This page full. This page till here. Till here. Coffee is not there in our syllabus. Okay, coffee is not there in our syllabus. Then come to next chapter. Okay, then from this chapter you have shared need for it. This topic is there, and this is reduced. This is also reduced. Okay, this is also reduced. This full page reduced. But from cotton textile industry, this is there. Cotton textile industry is there. This page full. This page also full, but silk industry is not there in our syllabus. Means right side, this right side is removed. This right side is removed, and this is also removed. Artificial silk is also removed, but sugar industry will come. Okay, but this sugar industry will come. Means right side is there in our syllabus. Right side is there in our syllabus. This right side is there in our syllabus. This is sugar industry full. Okay, next chapter is manufacturing industries. From this chapter, this page full is there. You have studied full. This page also full. From this page, this Visakhapatnam steel is not there. Visakhapatnam steel plant is not there because you have studied only Tata and Rourkela. Okay, this is not there. Okay, but this is there. From here it is there full. This full is there. Right side full. This also full. This page also full. This page also full. Then come to next page. Chapter 15, that is transport. Okay. Then from chapter 15, the transport chapter, this important transport is there in our syllabus. But significant transport system is reduced. This is reduced. Okay. This is reduced. But modes of transport is also there in our syllabus. Okay. Then roadways, railways, airways and waterways, the advantage and disadvantage is there in our syllabus. So from roadways, from roadways topic, then from roadways, you have studied only, means this page full, this page full, this page also full, and this page also full, this page full. And from India Railway, this railway management, railway zones, progress of Indian Railway, this is reduced. One you have studied advantage and disadvantage. Okay, you can study this also. Problems under railways, this come under category of disadvantage only. In airways also, yeah, this page full. Airport classification not there. Airport classification not there. advantage of a transport is there. This page also full, but this types of waterways is also not there. Types of waterways is also not there. This full reduced. This is the advantage is there. Okay, then pipeline is not there in our syllabus. Okay, then waste management and impact of waste accumulation. From this chapter, need for waste management, this chapter is fully reduced. See, need for management of waste, this page full, but this chapter is full there. Method of safe disposal and all. And from this chapter, collection of waste, segregation and dumping, storing waste, means this chapter full. If you want to cut, then you can cut this storing waste and this. If you want, otherwise you can study this also, but this is not there in our syllabus. Okay, then compositing is there in our syllabus, this page full. Then the last chapter, 90th chapter. From this chapter, need for reducing, reusing and recycling waste. This topic is only there, means from here you have to study, you have to study till here. Okay, this is all about the syllabus of geography. If you want any other syllabus also, you can tell in the comment section. I will make the video. Okay, thank you.